welcome back for another video. I'm back passionate, and today let's have a what's in my bag video about this one. If you are watching my channel, you know this bag. It's a Bimba Y Lola bag that I bought in Spain, and let me show you what I carry with me today. For those who recognize this bag, this is my Bimba Y Lola bag that I bought in an outlet village near Barcelona. I bought it 2 years ago and I like this bag. It's not a vintage one, but it's an old collection. You will only find this model for second hand. I got it new at an outlet, but for those who are looking for it, if you like it, I prefer to warn you, you will only find it on the second-hand market now. I bought it because of a color. It's a nice purple shade. It's a camera bag, as you can tell by the form, the shape, and I have to say the leather is insane because Bimba Y Lola either does nylon bag and leather bags, and I was super happy to have a leather version. This one got only one strap. You can carry it on your shoulder or crossbody, and you only adjust it like this, but the strap is not removable. To be honest, that's not the problem because I really bought it for the reason to carry it crossbody. And oh, I just put this little octopus I got this summer, and I love matching colors. So let's open it. Oh, and it has silver hardware, and it's something I really like. And you've got just the B and for Bimba Y Lola. I love the style. It's not too much in your face because it's the same color, but I quite like the style. So let's open it and see what I got with me today. So I got another thing that I bought in the outlet, which is my square pouch. It is also in leather, and look at the gorgeous pink shade. I am really crazy with this pouch. I wish they had more such kind of pouch in the outlet, but it was the very last one. I like the neon touch, and the leather once again is so smooth, so great. It stretches, you see, because I really fill it to the max because I really needed the item I'm going to show you. And I quite like the name written like this. It's super elegant. So let's open it and see what I got. So I've got some tissues, and I got a hand cream. This is L'Occitane. This is a brand new one. I'm going to try this one. I normally use the almond one, and this time it is verveine. I will tell you if it is great when I will end it. And this is my second because I bought another one. This is from Nuxe, and it's a lip balm. I like it. The only thing I do not like with it is that it comes in this type of so it's okay to carry it in a pouch, but I would prefer to have it like a lipstick. But other than that, the product is really great. So everything was inside because yes, now it's cold, so I really need hand cream and lip balm. Then I've got my, oh my god, all my latest video got this wallet, but it's so perfection. It's a Longchamp compact wallet, and guys, look, it's really full. I'm just showing you all the, oh my god, it's crazy. Look, it's all the card documents for my purchase. It's insane how much it can fit. I really like it. I think it's one of my best purchases of the year. I will do a video about my best purchase, but I think this one will be in the top list. Then I've got, okay, this is my car document. Oh, I've got this compass. This is a flat compass in Foulonné from Longchamp. It's quite nice for small bags like this. And I got my card holder in Cloud Blue color, their newest blue shade by Longchamp. And I'm crazy with it. I'm really crazy with it. And this type of card holder, I do recommend it if you have none. It's an excellent Christmas gift, by the way. And I've got one of my favorite pen like this. This is my Hello Kitty one. I've got many of us, but at the moment I'm really using my Hello Kitty one. And that's all, guys. I know it's nothing too crazy, but it really can fit a bunch. And it's great for running errands. So yes, hope you like this tiny video. Stay tuned. Do not forget to click on the notification bell to not miss any of my coming videos. And yes, why not subscribe to my channel if you like bags and bags discussion? You're at the right place. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.